Welcome to Mechanic. This is our 2023 Chevy Bolt, and on this vehicle we are going to go over the process to be able to put your inner panel back on to your hatch. Say you removed it to replace any of the components inside it, being the actuator unit, the motor, the switch, and if you needed to remove this piece here so that you could replace these lights or your backup camera or anything in there. All of that would have to be, this centerpiece would come off. So this goes on, it's 4 pieces and a few little clips. I'll hold it on one T15 screw that goes right through here where your handle is, grab handle. So we just need to line this up, situate it, and then press it forward. We've got these kind of alignment dowels here, so that is a good starting point. Once we kind of get this up and over and match it down there, then we can start working it around. All right, so we got that main piece on, and then the other, you don't want to forget to put your T15 in right here, because that's what holds it, so when you grab this grab handle to close it, that you don't tear off the whole interior panel. Right, so that's there. Now we have the 2 side pieces to put on here. Gonna line them up, lining the ones. We got a tab here on the front that's going to, they're gonna interlock with this bottom piece. That all there, and then being able to lock that in place, and go ahead and repeat for the other side. Same thing. Okay, and then we also have this piece here. We got a big dowel here to help us have an alignment. Get that in the alignment portion there. And then being able to snap that into place. Now we have these little pins here. These pins are what attach to, so that your little trunk cover piece holds in here. You'll install them in. They have a big tall groove and lines up corresponding here. Just line it up, press it in, and that'll lock into place. And then the same with this other side. Just line it up and install the click into place. So that's how you would put your interior cover piece on of your hatch on your 2023 Chevy Bolt. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.